YouTube channel. Now we are going to see exercise 2.3, sum number 9, 10, 11, 12 and 14. Let us go to the sum. The question is, question number 9. A factory increased its production of cars from 80,000 in the year 2011 to 2012 to 92,610 in 2014 to 2015. We have to find the annual rate of growth of production of cars. Okay. So, a factory increases. So, increases means we have to use its growth. So, the formula here is V is equal to V naught into 1 plus R by 100 to the whole power n. Okay. Let us go to the solution. Okay. What is given here? So, after the time period indicates that n here is equal to given V naught, that is given present value, that is V naught equal to 80,000, right? Then here in the year it is said that 2011 to 2012 and 2014 to 2015. In between there are number of years is 3 years, right? Then production after 3 years, that is V equal to 92,610, right? Let R be the annual rate of growth. Let R be the annual rate of growth. According to given information, we write V is equal to V naught into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power as it increased, right? So V here is 92,610 and V naught is 80,000. Then 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n here is 3, right? So bringing this 80,000 to this side to the denominator part and taking LCM and multiplying all this, okay, the whole cube, right? And one hint is that, so since the power is 3 here, we want to check it whether this is any cube number. This value is equal to any cube number, you want to check it. Yes, first do all the necessary steps here. Then we can check it here, 9261, okay. And this one 80, okay, that is 8,000. And this is the cube of 21. And this is the cube of 20. So which can be written as 100 plus R by 100 the whole power 3. And this can be written as 21 by 20 the whole power 3 is equal to 100 plus R by 100 the whole power 3. As powers are equal, we can say bases are also equal. So which implies 21 by 20 equals 100 plus R by 100. So we are bringing this 100 to the numerator, which is equal to 100 plus R. By 20 table if we cancel, this is 5 times. So 105 equals 100 plus R. So which implies 105 minus 100 equals R. So which implies R is equal to 5%, which is what the rate of growth, that is annual rate of growth is 5%. The next question is question number 10. The value of the machine worth rupees 5 lakhs is depreciating at the rate of 10% every year. In how many years will its value be reduced to rupee 3,64,500? Okay, this is what the question. We are supposed to find the time, that is time period, how many years, right? This is what we want to find. Okay, let us go to the solution part. According to the given information, what we shall write here is, let n be number of years. Let n be number of years. Then present value of machine. That is V naught equal to rupee 5 lakh. And then value of machine after n years. Value of machine Then value of machine after n years equal rupee 3,64,500, right? Okay. R equals 10 percentage. According to given information, we write, V is equal to V naught into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. So which implies V here is 3,64,500 and V naught is 5 lakh. Then 1 plus R here is 10. Then n only we don't know, we have assumed n as it is. Okay. Then cancel this one, this is 1 time, this is 10 time. Then bring this 5 lakhs to this side, denominator. Then bring this 5 lakhs to this side. So which is equal to 10 into 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 by, depreciation, this is we want to use minus here, right? So which is what 10 minus 1 is 9 by 10 the whole power n. So you want to check it whether this is related to any square or cube or any number of this 9 and 10 after doing all the cancellation and calculation part. Okay, I am cancelling this 0 0 here. Then by 5 table I will cancel this one. So this is becomes 10,000. Then another one more 0 we can cancel, right? So which is what? 2 zeros we cancel. This 5 table means 1000. This is 5 table means 7 times 35, then 2 times 45 is 9, 729 and 1000 you are getting. You want to check it whether this is ninth power, any ninth power value you want to check it, because the numerator here is 9. You want to check it related to this number, you want to check this numerator and denominator. That is the hint for this question. That is, it is the ninth power of 3, okay, and this is the 10th power of 3, right? So if we write whole power n, which implies 9 by 10 the whole power 3 equals 9 by 10 the whole power n, right? As the bases are equal, then powers are also equal. So which implies n is equal to 3 years. This is what we want to find. Okay. The next question is question number 11. Afzal purchased an old motorbike for rupee 16,000. The value of the motorbike after 2 years is rupee 14,440. We have to find the rate of depreciation. Okay. So after 2 years. So it is very clear that V naught will be the present value, right? Okay. Then it is depreciation so we want to use the formula V is equal to V naught into 1 minus R by 100 the whole power n. Okay. We will go to the solution part. So you want to find the rate of depreciation. So we are writing let R be the rate of depreciation. Let R be the rate of depreciation, right? Then present value, that is V naught equal to rupee 16,000. That is present value of motorbike. Then next, value of motorbike after after 2 years. That is V equals rupee 14,440. Then n here is 2 years, right? Then according to given information, we write V is equal to V naught into 1 minus R by 100 the whole power as it is depreciation. Okay, we should never forget this one. So this is most important. Depreciation means want to minus, increases or appreciation means want to add plus. We want to use plus symbol there. Okay. So what is we get? 14,440 equals 16,000 into 1 minus R, we don't know, so write R as it is. Then n here is 2. Bring the 16,000 to this side. That is 14,440 by 16,000, which is equal to 100 minus R by 100 the whole square. Do the necessary calculations here and then want to go whether it's a square of any number. By 4 table I am cancelling this one. This is 400 times and this is, which is what, 361, right? Then we want to check whether this is, what is the power here, according to it we want to check this one. Whether this is the square number of any number, and this also we want to check it. Yes, this is square of 19. Okay, 19 square by 20 square equals 100 minus r by 100 the whole square. So which implies 19 by 20 the whole square equal to 100 minus r by 100 the whole square. As the powers are equal, then bases are also equal. So which implies 19 by 20 equal to 100 minus r by 100. Bring this 100 to this side, which is what, 19 by 100. 19 into 100 by 20 equal to 100 minus r. 20 times, this is 1 time, this is 5 times. Okay, 19 into 5 is, which is what? 9 by 7, 45 balance for 95, which is equal to 100 minus r. So which implies minus r, if it comes to this side, this will become plus, and 95 goes to that side, become minus. So which is equal to 5. So therefore r is equal to 5%, which is what, rate of depreciation. Which is what, rate of depreciation. The next question is question number 12. Mahendra set up a factory by investing rupee 25 lakh. During the first 2 years, his profits were 5% and 10% respectively. If each year the profit was on previous year's capital, we have to calculate his total profit. Okay, very simple. That is after first two years, right? So next there are total number of years here is 3 years, right? If each year the profit was on previous year's capital. Okay, here the first 2 years, during the first 2 years his profits were 5%, 10%. Okay, so here n value is 2 only. Okay, the present value, the investment, that is given, that is present value V naught, that is initial investment, right, equal to 25 lakhs. Okay, n here is 2 years. Okay, then since there are two different rate of interest given, so we are writing R1 as 5%, R2 as 10%. So we want to find the total profit as well as the value of the factory after 2 years. Let V be the value of the factory after 2 years, right? Then according to given information, we write V is equal to V naught into 1 plus R by 100 the whole power n. Here since it is not depreciation, it's a profit only, so it increases, right? Okay, investment amount will increase only. Okay, what we want to write here is V equal to V naught here is 25 lakhs into 1 plus. So what we want to write here is the formula will be, okay, this is for the general formula. Next we will write as per our convenience R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100. Successive rate of interest we want to use it here. Okay, so this one we can write it, this formula no need. Okay, because two different rate of interest given now, so we are going this formula. Okay, next V is equal to 25 lakhs into 1 plus R1 is 5 by 100 into R2 here is 10 by 100, right? Okay, so cancel this by 5 table 1 time, this is 20 times, this is 10 table 1 time, 10 times, right? Okay, so what you will be getting? 25 lakhs into 20 into 1, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 20 into 10 into 1, 10 plus 1 is 11 by 10. Okay, cancel this. Okay, this 2 zeros, then by 2 table if we cancel, this is 1 time, Then this one if we cancel 1 time, 2 time, 5, 00, right? So 12,500 into 231, 21 into 11 is 231. If you multiply this one, we will be getting, that is 2,88,7500, right? 28,87,500, right? This is what the value after 2 years. Okay, next what you want to do here is profit. So profit is V minus V naught, which is equal to 28,87,500 minus 25 lakh, which is what, rupee 3,87,500. That is total profit. That is how much he has invested, and in 2 years, what is the total cost? Then we have to deduct it. Only the profit only it is asked. We have to deduct it and we have to find it. Okay, next we'll go to the. Okay, so we have to substitute V naught for the case 2 is 3,20,000 into 1 minus R1 here is 20 by 100, then 1 minus 15 by 100, then R3 is 1 minus 15 by 100. 20 1 time, 5 time, 3 time, 20 times, 3 times, 20 times. So which implies V is equal to 3,20,000 into 5 minus 1 is 4 by 5 into 20 minus 3 is 17 by 20 into 17 by 20. Okay. So then we will cancel here 0, 0, 2 zeros. Okay. Then by 2 table, this 2 becomes 1 time. Here 1, 6, 00. Again by 2 table, this is 800. Then by 5 table, 1 time. Then balance 3. So 60, 160. 160 into 4 into 17 into 7. So which is equal to 640 into 289. That is V here is 184960. Okay. Then according to the given condition we write next. This is case 1V, this is case 2V. Okay. We want to find whether it is a profit or loss. Okay. So the total value that is plot plus car, total present value that is for the plot as well as for the car is 1,80,000 plus 3,20,000. So which is equal to 5 lakh. Then value after 3 years, plot and car, that is V, this is V naught. Okay, which is equal to 3,95,460 plus 1,84,960. So which is what? The total here is 5,80,420. 5,80,420 using case 1 and case 2. Okay. So therefore, since it is greater than 5,80,420 is greater than 5 lakh. So therefore, profit equal to 5,80,420 minus 5 lakh, which is equal to rupee 80,420 is the profit. This is what the solution for this question. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.